everyone, today I'm going to cook chicken. I'm sorry to bother you. I'm done singing now and bothering you in your messenger. Please don't forget to subscribe, sing and dance with MJ, and don't forget also subscribe Asian Cooking with MJ. Again, I'm sorry to all of you and thank you for all your support and subscribe. So I hope you have a wonderful day and night. Now the time here is almost 3 o'clock. Time for me to cook dinner for my family. So enjoy. As soon as I'm done, I will upload my video. Bye. Love you. Now I'm going to... Hello guys, first I fried the chicken with the butter. So now I'm going to stir fry the garlic, my garlic onions and tomatoes. So I'm going to saute the garlic. And onions. 1/2 an onions and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Saute it until golden brown. Water. Soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Be sure that stir it. Now 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with water to make the sauce sticking and then mix it well. Sarap. So hello guys, this is my husband dinner. I fried the chicken, the butter. Okay, so hello. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Asian Cooking with MJ and Blog, and my other account for sing and dance with MJ. So I hope you have wonderful day and night.
Guys, ready. So now I'm going to separate the clean plate. So this is my husband dinner.